morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the living in perfect harmony. Sorry. The how to keep our doors or entry points. According to the ancient scholars, it is preferable to require a quadrangular place of land for building a residential house. It is four sides corresponding with the four directions: east, south, west, and north. East direction permits the construction of 8 doors on each side. Thus, a total of 32 doors are possible. Each door on a given direction has a specific meaning, and the house owner should choose the specific site for construction of a door for entry into his house, depending upon his requirements or intentions. The indications for each of the 32 doors as given in the classic are: eastern side from northeast, Ishanagona. Northeast is known as ഈശാനകോണം. വടക്ക് കിഴക്ക് ഭാഗത്തെ ഈശാനകോണം എന്നാണ് പറയുക. ഈ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നാണ് ആ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വേണ്ട പോസിറ്റീവ് എനർജി വരുന്നത്. അതിനാലാണ് ഈശാനകോണിൽ മറ്റ് കെട്ടിടങ്ങളൊന്നും വരാൻ പാടില്ല. അതുപോലെ ആ സ്ഥലം ശൂന്യമായി ഇടുന്നത് കൂടുതൽ നന്നായിരിക്കും, കൂടുതൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് എനർജിയൊക്കെ കിട്ടുന്നതിന് സഹായിക്കും. Ishanagona is to southeast Agnigona. The 8 doors indicates 1. Loss, 2. Penury, 3. Monetary gains, royal favors, excessive wealth, theft, loss of temper, and fear. Southern side from the southeast, that is the Agnigon. Agnigon, we have to provide the kitchen or the electric heater and etc. To the southwest, Niryanagona. The 8 doors indicates: 1 is death, imprisonment, fear, gain of wealth, interesting prosperity, fearlessness, fear of illness, and loss of strength. അഗ്നികോണിലാണ് വാതിൽ വയ്ക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ആ വീട്ടിലുള്ളവർക്ക് അമിതമായ ഭയവും കേസുകളിൽ പെടുവാനും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അനാരോഗ്യമുണ്ടാകുവാനും അവിടെ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാതെ മരണമെല്ലാം സംഭവിക്കുവാനായിട്ട് ഇടവരും. പിന്നെ എപ്പോഴും രോഗഭീതി ഒഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവർക്ക് സമാധാനം ഇല്ലാത്ത അവസ്ഥ ഉണ്ടാകും. വെസ്റ്റേൺ സൈഡ് ഫ്രം ദി സൗത്ത് വെസ്റ്റ്, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് നെരിയാക്കോൺ, ടു നോർത്ത് വെസ്റ്റ് വൈവാക്കോൺ. The 8 doors indicates loss of progeny, multiplication of enemies, monetary gains, gain of wealth, good fortune, intense misfortune, miseries, and sorrow. The northern side from the northwest Vayakona to northeast Ishanagona, the 8 doors indicates: 1 is loss of wife, loss of vitality, every loss, gain of wealth, inflow of money, increases in wealth, fear and illness. One should therefore choose the appropriate area to build an entry door to the plot of the land where the house for residential purposes is being built. Forbidden areas in a plot of land. When a house is to be built, certain areas should be left unoccupied. The quadrangular plot of land should be divided into 81 equal parts by horizontal and vertical lines. The area which should be left unoccupied by the construction include the central line parts known as the Brahma Bhagya or the Marmasthana of the building. Building a house in this area is considered extremely inauspicious. The 32 parts which lie along the four boundary walls so to be the remaining divisions are considered auspicious and beneficial for house construction. The Vastu Purusha lies on the left side with his face direction in the four different directions during 4 quadrants to the year. During the month of Bhadrapada, Ashwin and the Kartik, that is the solar months with the sun in Nirayana signs Simha, Kanya and Tula, the Vastu Purusha lies with his face forehead directed to the east. During the next 3 months, Agarban, Pausha and Maga, when the sun transits the Nirayana signs Vrchiga, Dhanu and Magara, he faces the south. During the month Falguna, Chaitra and Vaishakha, when the sun transits the Nirayana signs Kumbha, Meena and Mesha, the Vastu Purusha lies facing the west. And during the remaining 3 months, that is Jyeshta, Ashada and Shravana, with the sun transiting the Nirayana signs of Vrashava, Miduna and